Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are tackling a popular questions how to play Roblox on a school Chromebook in 2025. I'll walk you through the steps outlined in this game or the guide. Now keep in mind school Chromebooks can have restrictions, so success might vary depending on your school settings. But let's look at the method. First, you'll want to navigate to the Roblox application or website on your school Chromebook. If you're using the app or site, you should see a list of recommended or popular games. Go ahead and select any games that you'd like to play. Once you have chosen a game, look for the play button, usually the right side, and click it. The game will attempt to load. You might then see a prompt asking you to download and install Roblox. Click the button to continue. Okay, the next step involves Roblox Studio. You'll need to navigate to or search bar for Roblox Studio application on your device. According to this method, opening Roblox Studio should trigger a download for the Roblox Player installer file. Once that file is downloaded, find it and open it to begin the installation process. This installation might take a few moments, so be patient while it configures Roblox Player. After the installation is complete, you should be able to go back and click the play button for your chosen game again. The game should then start up. Click play on one more time if prompted to begin playing. You can then play a game like a regular player, following the specific game's instruction, and that's the process. Thanks for watching the guide on playing Roblox on a school Chromebook. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to the channel to see more content like this.